Shaky phone videos got you down? Meet the hohem-Steady MT2 and M6, two gimbals battling for your vlogging glory. We're comparing these stabilizers to see which one reigns supreme. One tackles smartphones only, while the other goes big with mirrorless cameras, but which is the perfect fit? Let's find out. Let's start with their camera compatibility first. The MT2 is a powerhouse, supporting a hefty 1.2 kilograms payload. This means it can effortlessly handle mirrorless cameras like the Sony a7S III, Canon EOS R5, and Nikon Z7 II, giving you pro-grade footage stability. But if smartphones are your jam, the M6 has you covered. It accommodates large-screen phones from 58 to 98mm wide, perfect for modern models like the iPhone 14 Pro, Samsung S22 Ultra, and Google Pixel series. Both gimbals scream quality with their sleek, compact designs, crafted from top-notch materials like aircraft-grade aluminum and high-performance composites. However, the MT2 tips the scales at 653 grams, while the M6 is slightly lighter at 551 grams. The MT2 brings versatility with its Multi 4.0 quick-release system, featuring an Arca-Swiss detachable L bracket for easy device switching and vertical shooting. Meanwhile, the M6 keeps you informed with a 0.91-inch OLED display, giving you a handy glimpse into gimbal status, battery levels, and more. Now, let's dive into the feature-packed worlds of these gimbals. The MT2 shines with its magnetic AI tracking sensor, allowing you to control it with gestures and smoothly follow subjects without needing apps or Bluetooth. Its vertical shooting capabilities, including a flip-out screen selfie mode, make it a vlogger's dream. But the M6 isn't far behind, boasting a magnetic removable AI vision sensor that enables rear camera tracking and AI tracking across all mobile apps. While the MT2 offers ultra-wide-angle shots and an impressive 360-degree infinite spin shot mode, the M6 takes things further with a massive 335-degree tilt rotation. This lets you capture mind-blowing low-angle shots with ease. Both gimbals harness Hohem's iSteady 7.0 stabilization technology, ensuring buttery smooth, shake-free footage that'll blow your mind. Let's talk battery life, a crucial factor for any content creator on the move. The MT2 packs a serious punch with its 2600 mAh battery, delivering up to a staggering 17 hours of use under ideal conditions. That's enough to power through even the most epic filming sessions without breaking a sweat. But the M6 is no slouch either, boasting the same battery capacity and up to 18 hours of use. Here's where it gets really cool. Both gimbals feature reverse charging capabilities, essentially turning them into power banks for your devices. Running low on smartphone battery while capturing that epic vlog? No problem. Simply plug in and keep that content rolling without interruptions. Pretty nifty, right? Now let's talk about how these gimbals can seriously level up your filming game with their intelligent shooting modes. The MT2 brings its A-game with the mind-blowing AI camera movement feature. With just a few gestures, you can control the camera's movements with precision, panning, tilting, and framing your shots like a pro. It's like having your own personal camera crew, minus the hefty price tag. But the M6 isn't playing around either. Its Inception mode lets you create those jaw-dropping 360-degree infinite panning shots with just a few button presses. Imagine the possibilities for unique, captivating content that'll have your viewers hooked from the first frame. And let's not forget about the ultra-wide-angle shooting modes on both gimbals. With a simple trigger press, you can capture breathtaking, unobstructed views that'll transport your audience right into the heart of the action. Price is always a crucial factor, and these gimbals cater to different budgets. The MT2, designed for mirrorless cameras, comes with a price tag of $329, befitting its professional-grade features and advanced capabilities. While it may seem like a significant investment, the MT2 delivers exceptional value for videographers and photographers seeking a versatile, high-performance gimbal for their setups. On the other hand, the M6, tailored for mobile devices, offers an attractive option at $229. This affordable price point makes it an excellent choice for smartphone videographers, vloggers, and content creators on the go who want to elevate their footage without breaking the bank. Ultimately, choosing between the hohem-Steady MT2 and M6 boils down to your specific needs. If you're a pro videographer or photographer seeking a versatile mirrorless camera gimbal, the MT2 could be your perfect match. Its robust build, extensive compatibility, and advanced features like AI tracking and vertical shooting make it a cinematographer's dream. But if you're a mobile content creator, vlogger, or social media maverick, the M6 might just steal your heart. Its compact size, compatibility with large-screen smartphones, and innovative features like rear camera tracking and a removable AI vision sensor make it a game-changer for capturing dynamic, smooth footage on the go. At the end of the day, both gimbals from Hohem offer exceptional stabilization and a world of creative possibilities. Choose wisely based on your needs, and get ready to elevate your content to new heights with these innovative gimbal solutions. So, that's all about a comparison between Hohem iSteady MT2 and iSteady M6. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.